Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that your truck's exterior is protected, let's focus on the engine, battery, fluids, and everything else you need to keep it in top shape while in storage. Cleaning and ventilating the cab. A closed-up cab becomes a breeding ground for mold, pests, and stale air. Leftover food crumbs attract mice, while trapped moisture warps dashboards and fabrics. Here's how to shut down those issues before they start. Remove all food and trash. Wipe down surfaces with a mild cleaner. Prop open vents or windows slightly if storing outdoors. Place moisture absorbers under seats and in storage compartments. Sprinkle baking soda on upholstery and floor mats before storing. Vacuum it up later to neutralize odors. For longer storage, consider a peppermint oil spray. Rodents hate the smell, and it leaves the cab smelling fresh. Protecting electronic components. Modern trucks rely on computers, sensors, and wiring that hate humidity and power fluctuations. A dead battery is annoying, but corroded connectors or short circuits hurt worse. Take these precautions. Disconnect the battery to prevent slow drains. Plug ports and connectors with dielectric grease. Cover dash screens and controls with a microfiber cloth to block UV damage. Use moisture traps near electronics. If your truck has aftermarket electronics, unplug them entirely. Some draw power even when switched off. Think of it like putting your truck into hibernation. Clean, dry, and disconnected means waking it up without nasty surprises. Regular maintenance checks during storage. Even when your truck isn't moving, wear and tear don't take a vacation. Without regular checkups, small issues like low fluids or critter infestations can turn into expensive repairs. Think of it like checking on a house while you're away. Ignoring leaks or pests always leads to bigger problems. Monthly inspections. A quick walk around every few weeks keeps surprises to a minimum. Focus on these key areas. Tire pressure. Fluid levels. Pest signs. Battery terminals. Set a phone reminder to inspect these spots. It takes 10 minutes but saves hours of repairs later. Running the engine periodically. An engine that sits too long dries out seals and lets oil drain from critical parts. Starting it every few weeks solves this by lubricating moving parts with fresh oil circulation. Preventing fuel system clogs. Recharging the battery if it's still connected. Avoid just idling. Rev the engine slightly to warm it up fully and activate the alternator. Park outside while running. Exhaust fumes in enclosed spaces are deadly. Final steps before returning to service. After months of storage, your truck isn't quite ready to hit the road yet. Just like waking up a sleeping giant, you need to make sure everything works smoothly before putting it back into action. Skipping these final checks could leave you stranded, or worse, facing costly repairs mid-haul. Reconnecting and testing the battery. A dead battery is one of the most common problems after long-term storage. Jump starting might get you moving, but you want reliability. Here's how to safely reconnect and test it. Clean the terminals first. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative. Check voltage with a multimeter. Test under load. Turn on headlights and cabin electronics. For peace of mind, take a short drive after reconnecting. Alternators recharge batteries best when the engine runs at highway speed. Checking brakes and suspension. Brakes and suspension take a beating, even when parked. Moisture causes rotors to rust, and rubber components can dry out. A quick inspection catches problems before they turn dangerous. Spin the wheels. Look for fluid leaks. Press the brake pedal firmly. Bounce each corner of the truck. Don't assume, no noise, means everything's fine. A short test drive confirms brakes grip evenly and suspension feels stable. Final walk through and test drive. Before logging miles, give your truck a thorough once-over. A checklist ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Lights and signals. Fluid levels. Tire pressure. Steering response. Listen for unusual sounds. Take a short test drive on mixed roads. Pay attention to braking, acceleration, gear shifts. If something feels off, address it now, before a small issue turns into a roadside breakdown. Your truck will thank you. This last round of checks guarantees your rig is as dependable as the day you parked it. After all, time spent now saves hours, or days, of downtime later. Storing a trailer truck properly isn't just about preserving its appearance, it's about protecting your investment. Skip these steps, and you'll likely face flat tires, dead batteries, or even engine damage when you finally hit the road. But with a little prep work and regular check-ins, your truck will stay ready for action, saving you time and money on avoidable repairs. Make this routine part of your long-term parking plan. A well-maintained truck means fewer surprises and more miles of smooth hauling ahead. Got storage tips of your own? Share them below. Your experience might help another driver avoid a costly mistake. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.